How to fix the Samsung ACC4 error code. Now, first things first, just for precautions, if you're not knowledgeable about wirings directly from any gadgets, especially AC or air conditioner, you might have to take a look and book your appointment with a professional technician to avoid any issues or accidents. So I'm going to be showing you out the very common way of troubleshooting this specific error code. The first ACC4 error is actually referring to a certain internal parts of your AC which is causing an overheat or maybe rusty. What you can do to avoid that is to perform a power cycle by turning off the unit for 5 minutes and then just having it turn back on to check if you still have that specific code visible on your end. So as you can see, they have like specific number of codes from here on loop, which has a specific cost. So for example, in C1 or 2.1 on loop, it's actually defective room temperature sensor error. So this has something to do with the wirings directly inside the air conditioner that you have. So it needs to be fixed by a professional technician just to be sure. So again, that's how you fix the Samsung ACC4 error code.